come true. And I wonder if you know what you mean, what you mean. And I wonder if you know what you mean, what you mean. Find your dream.
I went to Puerto Rico. Period. Say period. Talk to my vlog.
On our way to Puerto Rico.
Oh, and I like Sinead name. This is not. I don't like it. So y'all, we was in the bathroom, in that all gender bathroom, and he unlocked the door. And this lady walked in. Yes. Yes. Because this lady walked in and I was finna freaking get my stuff seen, okay?
Girl,
so look who I ran into in the airport.
She did not run into me, girl. We was in the car together. Stop lying to these people.
This is who I ran into in the airport. I'm sorry.
Two different
This hair gotta go. It's not gonna work, period. Say hi. Say hi to you too, period. They're gonna be on my vlog. I have to change my hair, okay? It wasn't working. It wasn't working. When his hot plane is burned up, I don't know who you think he is. He thinks he's like an assassin or something. Show me your face. Whatever. AirB&B, we just got in a rental car. He looking stupid. I don't know why. Like
they charge us $1,000.
yes, they rental cars. I would recommend. I don't know because I don't know how far stuff is, but I would probably Uber. I don't fucking know, but we're on our way to our AirB&B, so we'll check back in with y'all when we get there.
And I wonder. And I come true. And I wonder if you know what you mean, what you mean. And I wonder if you know what you mean, what you mean. Find your dream. And I wonder.
So it's fucking 6:47. We got her at 4 o'clock and she just not ready.
No, we about to go
the whole fucking day. The day is over.
Stop cussing. We about to go on the strip. And I didn't even do too much, so I didn't even take that long. Alright. You look like a badass kid, so we're going to get some food. We about to go try this place called Waiters. Smile.
I want some Casamigo.
No. Ooh, we gotta go to the liquor store. I don't know what time the liquor store closed out here, so we gotta look up the liquor store. We need to find a liquor store, but yeah. So y'all, we about to go we just left the liquor store. We got like, so yeah, we about to see this place called, I don't know what it's called, but we're gonna try it. It's across the street. You can kind of see it. So we're sitting at, I still can't pronounce it. It's like steer front. I don't know. I'm gonna get a picture of it. I ordered Alfredo and he ordered a burger and fries per usual, don't ever switch up. But it's really cute in here. to go to the rainforest and hiking. So, babe, is you ready to hike? He ain't in the morning still, but anyways, we finna go walk to where we gotta go meet them at and stuff like that. So, we'll catch back up with y'all later. Mr. Maddie walking to go to this rainforest, and I forgot to brush him too. Sadly, but it's cool. Okay, so we at the rainforest and we're about to go hiking.
Ain't taking no flicks, but the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with a yak in your mouth. And we back outside. You said you outside, but you ain't that outside. Worldwide hoodie with the mask outside. In case you forgot how we act outside. Motivation. I'm found me a new foundation, yeah. Checking my new salvation. My own foundation, yeah. You won't break my soul. You won't break my soul. You won't break my soul.
Out of breath, I'm not going down that slide because my wig gonna fall. So we lit, and I'm hot, and I'm tired, and he keep leaving me. I'm not getting on the waterfall slide. I'm being a party people because I'm scared. And I don't want my eyelashes to come off now.
What you gotta tell your blog?
Today was fun. I'm a little dirty and I broke a toenail, so I'm mad because I got a long weekend ahead of me. But it's, my boyfriend left me. He's not helping me. He let me fall and break my toenail. That's what I told him. Dog, I just told you. Cut the camera off. My tongue.
Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around. Really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so.
Okay, so we came back to Airbnb after we left the rainforest.
And what time did we come back?
That don't matter. So I had to get cute. You'll see, period, because I went underwater. But anyways, we're about to go get some food and probably walk the strip because we have more time today. And then we'll go to the La Placita tonight. Is that anything to say? The La Placita. You have fun at the rainforest?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, fun. But anyways, we're gonna get back to you later. Oh shoot, it not. Oh hell to the no. I just got scared, bro. I was about to get in the car, swear to God. Oh my gosh, and I'm shaking. And look at him recording and I'm scared, y'all. Look at that. Oh no, Jesus. That is not for me. No. I'm crawling through the back seat because what the heck? I've never seen no crap like that. Why would you, bro? You think that's funny? Pull off. Oh my God. So we just now leaving the restaurant. I forgot to make a video when we were in there and it was kind of loud, but they got good food, good music, and good drinks. So I would recommend. It's like a 10 out of 10. Y'all should go try it out.
My love is blind, can you see my desires?
Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Just move right. Sure look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, man. Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Just move right. Sure look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, man. Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Just move right. Sure look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, man. Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Just move right. Sure look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, man. Feel like I'm destined.
We just left 2 lounges, bars, clubs, whatever you want to call them. They were pretty lit. He's drunk. And it's time to go. He's not trying to go. And he don't know why we're walking back to the car because we just said we were walking back to the car. And yeah. So pray for me and my night.
Tell the blog how hard it is to fucking order.
It is hard. And we got Burger King and we went to 4 Burger Kings trying to get some food. And it is 1:23 and we're trying to get food. It's like 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock, y'all.
23. They dog.
Wait.
They chopper left to my
Babe,
daughter.
you don't have a daughter. End it. So we're about to go UTV riding, horseback riding. We're supposed to go zip line, but it got canceled, so we gotta see if we still can.
Sure look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, man. Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Get your move right. Sure look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, man. Feel like I'm destined. I don't need no Smith and Wesson, no. What who you testing?
So we stopped to get breakfast before we go horseback riding. Hopefully hurry up because we gotta be there in like 25 minutes. But we stopped to get breakfast at this little cafe. So I got pancakes, toast, ham, potatoes at the bottom, bacon, and heart of it, eggs. He got a waffle with bacon inside. And we got these lemonade drinks. We have to get to go because we still gotta go back to the rainforest. It stink, first of all, very bad. It had to my boy. Taking shots at all your breath, you know. Feel like a damn man. You fucking man. So bad, man. Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Get your move right. Sure they look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, man. Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Get your move right. Sure they look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, man. Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Get your move right. I messed up good. That's nasty. Let me. So we stopped at this place to get like drinks and stuff. And food. Look, babe. What is you laughing at? So we got back from the UTV and the horseback riding like 3 hours ago. We took a nap. So you can hear it now clearly. My baby was having a rough hair day. But anyways, we about to probably go to the old San Juan, go get some food, and see wherever tonight leads us. You have fun today, babe?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
He learned crazy. But yeah, so. Yeah, my honey love. My honey love, my honey bun. My peaches and cream.
I know I got the frog now, but we not finna start grabbing this motherfucker.
Yeah. So we decided to get out and walk. And old San Juan. I don't really know what's over here, what we're gonna do, but we hungry. We want some pizza, so that's kind of our goal, pizza. But yeah. So we just left a souvenir store. He got this hat and he think you look stupid. I don't know why he put that hat on that way, but got my mama magnet, my baby a toy, my purse, and I forgot. I think I got something else. I don't remember. But yeah. Got some pizza from Pirilla, I think. Oh, that's not on the box. I thought that. Okay, so yesterday after we left the little horseback riding, UTV riding, we basically went to go get some food.
And she fell asleep on me.
We came back and chilled and watched movies. So yeah, so we didn't really do too much. But I will post, I posted the food before, so yeah. Today we going to the mall. We got zip lining today because we got canceled yesterday. So we're going zip lining. And after that, we're gonna try to go to this beach bar. I don't know how that's gonna go, but we're gonna try. So yeah, we'll see how the rest of our day goes. You ready, baby? He got this Puerto Rico hat and he really just matched everything. And it really don't, but okay. We out.
Check up on it, I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Check up on it, check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it.
So we decided to stop at the mall of San Juan before we go zip lining. I'm not talking to him because he's making fun of this rash I just got from that water when we was in the fucking freaking rainforest. I'm not talking to him.
This is a prime example that Puerto Rico all come together and work together. Milwaukee, they all the competition.
You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in a rush. Nobody touched me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave.
So we about to go zip lining. There's plenty of mosquitoes out here. I'm being bit up. Ready, babe? He may actually keep getting bit up by mosquitoes. Okay, so we about to go zip lining with my boo, you know. But he's scared, I'm scared. And I don't know how it's gonna go, so we gonna make videos throughout it. I don't know if I'm gonna hold it while we go, because I don't know if my phone gonna fall. I'm scared. But yeah, so stay tuned.
All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. So me by that work. When you walk out, before the table turn.
So we are done ziplining, baby. Come here. You have fun? This way, babe. You have fun, babe?
Oh, yeah. This shit look different.
And we met some friends. You know me. Figure out something to do for tonight. And somewhere to eat. I'm not sure yet. He's so scary, dog. He is so scary. Dog gonna stop. So yeah, we will let y'all know later. We'll get back with y'all later. Okay, so we got in the shower when we left ziplining because it was nasty. But we about to go to Hattie's. It's a restaurant and a bar, so we're gonna see how that is. It's currently raining, so I don't know how the rest of our night gonna go. But we plan on going to the Perla, which y'all should know we can't record, so we'll have to give y'all an update when we get back. But we're gonna see unless we end up somewhere else. So you have fun ziplining, babe. Babe. About to do this boat cruise. I'm on to SHEIN. I stopped at this grabbing boat called Boaters at the boat place. I will post the tour that we went on later. I kind of had a rush this morning, so I will get back with y'all. I honestly think I messed the quality on my phone up when we went snorkeling, but we just ate Ruth Chris, and it was good. $200, but it was good. So yeah, about to go back to the hotel room, pack, and we might go to the La Placita one more time because we leave tomorrow. So second one, it was fun. So we at the airport. Say bye bye to Puerto Rico. We have fun. What? Yeah. It was fun. I probably won't come back to did everything. So yeah.